everyone, my name is Ngọc. Together with Đăng and Long, we are the first group to present our environmental science project. In this video, we're going to show you an overview of one of the most concerned problems of the environment, that is waste pollution, which is very common in Vietnam but not yet processed. But does anyone know exactly what is waste pollution? Let's have somebody answer this question. So now I'm here with a student in IU. Can you introduce about yourself, please?
So my name is Trần Yu Hao and I'm from Biotechnology Department.
I have a few questions for you. The first question is, what do you know about waste pollution?
So basically, the waste pollution is when the trash and the waste is not go to the right position, that it has to be like the right category of the trash can.
Okay, so do you think that waste pollution will affect people's health?
Yeah, I think so, because if the waste not going to the right order, like it go to the water and the soil which connects to the plant, and it will eat the main nutrition for the human, so that will affect the human health. Also with the water, we drink that every day, so that is one of the main cause that men's health is going worse to worse.
Okay, so what do you think people can do about this waste pollution?
I think it's very easy, that we just need to put the trash in the right order of the category, like which one right, like the plastic bottle, we can put it in the right recycle category, so that we can sort that and then we can treat that easier.
Oh, thank you for your help. And now we will join my friend Long to see some real footage about waste pollution.
Okay. Thank you Ngọc for the introduction. Hello guys, my name is Long and today I will give you a closer look to what is waste pollution. Come on and follow me. As you can see behind me now, it's a lot of waste and trash. This is waste pollution. But do you really know about the definition of waste pollution? I will give you now. Waste pollution is when trash, rubbish, especially household garbage, is discharged to the environment without properly treatment. This waste should go to disposal site, not just site, usually but in the residential area. This pollution happens mainly in big cities, which have a population rate is high, such as Hồ Chí Minh City or Hanoi capital. So, the next I will give you some graph to show which is the current situation of waste pollution in Hồ Chí Minh City. Let's watch. This chart gives us information about the amount of solid waste in Hồ Chí Minh City. In 2000, the amount of solid waste is 4,000 tons per day. But just 50 years later, in 2015, the amount of solid waste increased almost 2 times to 7,200 tons per day. And this is the 2018 figure. As you can see, the amount of solid waste increased to 9,000 tons per day. This is a big number that the government have to deal with. Okay, I think now you know about the current situation of waste pollution in Hồ Chí Minh City. And now I will interview somebody in the local here to find out what's the effect to the people in this area. Let's go with me. Excuse me, sir? Yes. Can you speak English?
Yeah, sure I can.
We are doing some research about this environment. I can ask you some questions if you don't mind.
Sure you can.
Where do you think this waste pollution come from the people or from the nature?
Well, I think that, of course, it's from the people, because they don't have any awareness about wasting outside environment. So, yeah, man, the problem is from the people.
Yes, do you think this waste pollution can affect people's health? Like what disease or can make our future bad?
Yeah, sure, because when you're wasting pollution outside the environments, they will contaminate into your water resource, and when people use that resources, yes, it's not good for their health. And affect to the next generations, like making the next generation have the mutation genes or something. Yeah.
Last question, if you gonna do something with this environment, what would you do?
Well, man, I think that I will raise people awareness about waste pollution, like give them a sign that it's not good when you waste pollution outside the environment, affect your health, your life. Yes. Anything else?
Thank you for your cooperation.
You can pick. Okay.
Good luck with your shop.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
Now you know about what people around here think about this environment and this pollution. Now we come to Dan to know which the bad effect to human environment and which is the properly solution.
The first issue is the land use. The size of some landfill is nearly inconceivable. The Freshfield landfill on Staten Island outside of New York City takes up 891 hectares. In a society that generates this amount of garbage, land use for landfills become an issue, particularly in densely populated, high-consumption places. The amount of space being dedicated to storing trash is disturbing to residents. And with the trash and garbage are put into an enormous pile, they begin to rot. This rotting creates methane, a greenhouse gas that's many times more potent than carbon dioxide. Methane exits the landfill and flows up into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Next in line is a toxin. Many types of objects that are thrown away contain toxic substances that can leach into soil and water, affecting the health of plants, animals, and humans. Electronics contain mercury, lead, cadmium, chromium, and other metals that compromise environmental health. Construction waste may contain fossil fuel derivatives and other toxic substances. Measures to control these substances are hampered by the fact that they are dispersed within millions of tons of less toxic trash, making their removal very problematic. One of the most major concerns is that the effect of human waste on the ocean is becoming more widely known since wide publicity has been given to the garbage patch in the Pacific Ocean, an area larger than the continental United States is overrun with plastic trash. This is only the most dramatic example of the threat to the ocean that is caused by human waste. Nevertheless, bad smell is an effect of solid waste disposal that is less severe but more familiar to many people. Neighbors of landfill often complain of the smell that emanates from them, and this is one of the reasons that proposals for new landfills are frequently opposed by neighbors of proposed sites. While projects that use methane for power reduce the amount of noxious gases that escape a landfill, they don't totally eliminate the bad smell. Lastly, is an indirect effect happen when we process the trash by burning it. According to the scientists, this is the main cause of air pollution. The smoke from the burning garbage not only poisons the air, it also increases the spread of disease. Microparticles are those toxic particles whose size is so small that they can enter our body through respiration and can damage the lung in particular. It has been shown that these microscopic particles have different effects on both health and environment.
Okay, we have all seen the dramatic effect that waste pollution causes to the environment and human health. So let's discuss about the solution to overcome the issue and help us protect the environment. Firstly, we should separate the domestic waste from the inorganic waste, as this organic waste can be used to produce methane, a burning gas, and they are a good source of organic fertilizer. Secondly, the inorganic waste should be reused and recycled as much as possible. And above all, we should reduce the amount of waste we produce every day and place the garbage in the right disposal place to minimize the harm to the environment.
So this is the end of our video. Remember, A single tree cannot form a forest. The little things that you do today will affect the earth in the future. Thanks for watching.